So you're a DIYer, you've installed backsplashes, upgraded faucets, maybe even dabbled in some furniture building. But let's be honest, we've all had those oops moments. You know, the ones where you think, I totally got this, and then disaster. Well, today we're talking about 4 ways to avoid DIY mistakes from someone who's made them all.
Think 10 steps ahead. When you're planning a project, don't just think about right now. Think about how it will work in the future. Take it from Lucas Hall, a DIY landlord who made this classic mistake. He installed a gorgeous Peninsula countertop in his rental kitchen, but guess what? It completely blocked the fridge. Now he can't remove the fridge without lifting it over the countertop. DIY lesson: measure once, measure twice, then measure again. Imagine every possible scenario before committing to your design.
Don't go for the cheapest option. We all love a deal, but sometimes the cheapest option can cost you way more in the long run. So our client Lucas learned this the hard way when he bought a budget island range hood online. It looked great until it broke a year later. Now, not only did he have to replace it, but the fixes involved electrical rewiring and hiring a contractor. The takeaway: if it's something complicated or permanent, invest in quality. Trust me, your future self will thank you.
For specialty work, do your research or call a pro. Electrical work seems simple, right? Lucas thought so too when he installed not 1 but 2 dimmer switches for a single chandelier. Big mistake. Turns out you can't do 2 dimmers on 1 circuit. The lights flickered like something out of a horror movie, and he wasted hours trying to fix it. The DIY lesson here: research is your best friend. If you're not confident or if it's not your skill set, call in a pro before you blow a circuit, literally.
Make sure to avoid big projects on holidays. Holidays might seem like the perfect time to DIY, but trust me, if something goes wrong, you're going to regret it. Again, our client Lucas learned this the hard way when he attempted a plumbing project on July 4th. Lucas had a lot of bad luck with remodels actually. A rusted pipe broke, water was everywhere, and the plumber he called was, let's say, less than professional. So the result: flood damage, drywall repairs, and yes, even a fire. The lesson: save tricky DIY projects for regular weekends when you can get professional help without ruining someone's holiday.
So there you have it. Think ahead, don't skimp on quality, do your research.